Protect your car. How to properly maintain and care for your car. Today we will talk about the importance of taking proper care of your car. Whether you are a novice or an experienced driver, caring for your car is a key factor in its longevity and keeping it in good condition. Here are some important aspects to consider. Regular maintenance. Regular checks and maintenance of your vehicle will help prevent problems and improve its performance. Regular oil changes, checking and inflating tires, checking the battery and other technical procedures will help your car to be in excellent condition. Exterior care. Washing and polishing your car regularly will help keep your car in top condition, protect it from corrosion, and keep it looking bright. Proper use of waxes and protective coatings will also help extend the life of the bodywork. Attention to detail. In addition to basic care, do not forget about the rest of the car. Regularly check the operation of headlights, windshield washer nozzles, as well as the condition of windows and mirrors. Pay attention to the interior, removing debris, dust and refreshing it. Car care is an investment in its maintenance and service life. It also adds comfort and enjoyment to you and your passengers. Remember that proper car care also increases its value in the subsequent sale or exchange. Do not forget that proper car care is about its durability and your comfort. Give him love and attention, and he will answer you with reliability and long service life.